Alright, well, it's pretty warm today. Even warmer than yesterday. At least it's going to be anyways. It's already at 84-ish degrees out. And this is about as hot as it got yesterday. And the fact that it's only noon, they're saying it's going to be in the 90s today. See, it's a 69/47 inside this room. Looking pretty good. I got all the air conditioners installed because the central don't work. I'm gonna show them off. So this one just cut off. So you've seen that one a bunch anyways. It's good when you don't see every day. Oh, that one also kicked off. So this room has the very much somewhat nostalgic 2017 General Electric 5050 installed here in the other bedroom up here. I got this out here because we were making use of the energy save. It is on high. I'm going to leave it on high for the majority of the day. It's set to, what is it? Yeah, it's set to 72. And it's been working pretty good in here. Kitty. This is actually a retake video because the other one I got sidetracked and started doing a bunch of other shit in the middle of it all. It's keeping it nice in here. Kitty. But no, that's interesting. The more interesting side of things is the way we're cooling the first floor. In here, got the 5000 BTU higher, I'm not really sure, running on high. Don't know what year this is from. From the 2000s, I know. Running good old R22. In fact, that General Electric up there is the only one not running R22. It's running 410. This machine's also running on high. All the machines are running on high. And then in here, first, there's 72 in here, in the living room. And then in here we got the 7000 BTU Kenmore WCI from 2000. I have the marking out of like what I usually have it set to. I wanted it to run excuse me. Wanted it to run a little colder than usual. So I had it turned down. And it's doing it pretty well. It's 72 in here. In the kitchen where the refrigerator's always on. All the like ornaments and stuff up there is all like vibrating around and stuff. And it does, this machine alone can do the entire first floor. It can easily do this entire first floor. I got the ceiling fan running on high. I just wanted this other one running mostly for dehumidifying. And also just because it's just so hot. It's gonna be really fucking hot today. I just wanted to have this one running as a backup to keep the temperatures kind of even throughout. No air conditioner out here. Hi, kitty. Oh, aren't you adorable? She's so fucking cute. There's can't really see it. Unfortunately, that unit's still off, so come back to it later. Come on. This door's busted on the one corner. Hi, kitty. She's so cute. Go look at this one from the outside. And maybe the Kenmore the other Kenmore if it turned back on yet. Not sure. It's so bad in the sunlight, holy shit. And all the heat radiating off the deck is not helping. Kenmore isn't right. This Kenmore's running. That one actually just turned on. We'll get to that in a second. The compressor in this thing is very quiet. Two Kenmores from two different eras running at the same time on high. Is it running? I don't even think it is. No, I think it is. This one's just so loud. It got really windy out. Well, a way we can figure out if it kicked on or not is by going upstairs. Yeah, it did. That one kicked off, actually. Motor hasn't shit the bed yet. Hasn't been making that noise yet. See if this one. I think this one kicked on. Just shut off. Actually, I don't think its compressor kicked on. That's a mess in here. do one of these to get that thing to come on. Climbing up on me. She's bored because she's been sitting in this room for so long, but I can't let her out until the others get back. Yep, that worked. Alright. Get out of this nasty. What are you doing? You can't come out yet. I can't. Okay. Okay, maybe I will for a little bit, but I think I might just shut this. Open that door up if I so have to. Shut the basement. That came back on. Still 72 in here. I'm gonna close the basement. And also the bathroom needs to be closed off that cat. Trapping any other cats. There is one cat that I have not that I haven't seen yet, and I'm worried that I might have trapped her in the basement. I'm just gonna end the video there.